Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
46. That was a hit. Hey YouTube, Big Frank here. Thanks for stopping by. We're out on the South Permission again. It's been really good for us already this year. We've taken over 100 squirrels off in 3 sessions, and so we're back, and it's a really nice day. It's been raining like crazy here. It's still kind of wet out here, but the sun's out and the squirrels are out. So many that we've already shot some squirrels because when we pulled in they were running everywhere and we couldn't not get a few. So Ed and I are here today. I don't know if you can see him, he's over here hanging out. So stick with us and we're gonna get some squirrel action like usual, and hopefully it'll work out. Thanks. About 45 yards. Yeah. There you go. 104. Over his head. Oh man. There we go. Took 3, but took him out. Still. There we go. Can't figure out why he's not playing. There we go.
There's 2 click headshots.
We moved into this new field that we hadn't shot in before. It's big, and there was a ton of squirrels out here when we pulled up, but I guess they know the black truck now. So as soon as we pulled up, they scattered, and we've got a few here, but the wind's coming up and they're harder to get when they're out 130, 140. Did get a couple out pretty far, 139, 138. Did hit one at 170 today. I think that's going to be my longest hit, but it's a little skimpy right now. About 102 yards. There, we got him. Through the fence. Brutal. Doesn't happen too often. 82 yards. Right in the face. Oh, he ducked. On the head. Back of the head. Just skipped it into him, but I got him. Yeah, I skipped it into him. Well, we thought this was really going to be a big shooting day, and there was tons of squirrels when we got here, but they've really just kind of shut off. So got a few minutes, and I just want to talk about shooting bags. I've been shooting with one I bought off of YouTube, and it worked pretty well. I used it, throw it over fence posts and that sort of thing. Recently, I just bought an industrial sewing machine, and I'm learning to use it. So last night, I built this one last night. It's built out of buckskin, and it's got some Velcro where you can, down in here, where you can fill it up or let it out, and got a handle. So seems to work pretty well. It's my first attempt at building a bag. So I've got some more to build, and I've got some material to do it. So this next week coming up, I'll maybe build a couple, and I'll throw them out there so you guys can see them. This one came out okay. Made a few mistakes on it, but it's for me, so that's okay. First day using it, and it seems to work pretty well. I've thrown it over the bed rail and a couple other places, and it seems to work good with the gun. And then you can actually use it as a rear squeeze bag a little bit. It's not great for that, it really wasn't built for that, but it does work that way. So turn it up if you need a little higher. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, but see if we can go down just a touch. So yeah, you can stand it up, or you can lay it down, or whatever you want to do. So it's working out pretty well. I'm pretty glad I got that finished. Hopefully we can get a couple more going, and we'll throw them up here for you guys to see. Not too tough to make, but I'm not a big sewing guy, so that's me. If you sewed all the time, it would be a big deal at all. All right, hopefully back to the squirrels. About 90 yards. I got him. About 65 yards. He's done. Where is he? I got him. Got him in the tail. Two minutes and 2 minutes. Hit him on the top of the head. Gave him a hell of a headache. That was a hit. Right in the face. Okay, well, it is almost 4 o'clock. We started shooting about 11:30, 12 o'clock. So probably 4 hours. And looks like, let me see those. I never know what you can see. 22 and 13 is 35 squirrels. 35. So not a bad day. You just never know around here.
Need some warmer weather.
Yeah, it's getting cold. The wind came up, and now it's cold, and put my jacket on. But it was nice earlier. Nice this morning. Really nice.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We got to get up to the North Permission. They asked us to come up, so we got to kind of get up there and make a show, if nothing else. She said she's seen some coyotes out there, so maybe we'll get a coyote or two while we're there, and gotta remember to take guns. Kind of important. But
Coyotes, pigeons.
yeah, pigeons,
Yeah.
everything. So all right, well, thanks for stopping in. I got some, hopefully the video came out good, and we'll get that set up, and I got a couple videos coming up, and I got a couple of review videos to do, so those will be coming up here sometime shortly. Well, I don't know about shortly, sometime in the near future. So stick with us, subscribe if you can, really help us out. We'd really like to get some more subscribers. Tell a friend, like us, whatever, all that other garbage. I hate even saying that, but we would really like to grow the channel, and it'll let us do some more stuff. So I'd like to get some more camera equipment. You know, we're running off a couple of GoPros. One of them is my camera, my gun camera is GoPro 4, so that's where we're at. So a couple nice new cameras would be really nice, but we're really not in the budget right at the moment. So anyway, we'll get there. All right, thanks for stopping by.